We guide you through how to factory reset your iPhone the right way. First thing you need to do is to make sure all your important data is backed up because a factory reset will completely erase your photos, apps, messages, and settings. Once you've ready, open the settings, go to General, scroll down until you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap it, then choose Erase all content and settings. Your device will show what's you're going to be removed, and it may ask you for your passcode or Apple ID to confirm the reset. After confirming, your iPhone will begin the process of wiping everything and restoring itself to its original factory condition. This can take a few minutes depending on your storage size, so keep your device plugged in and don't interrupt. When the reset is complete, your iPhone will automatically restart and show the Hello Setup screen just like when it was brand new. From there, you can set up as a fresh device or restore your backup if you want your data back.